On the way to forest, where did Lord Rama, Lakshman and Sita rest? A. On the bank of river Vedasurti. B. On the bank of river Gomti. C. On the bank of river Tamra. Or D. On the bank of river Saryu. The correct answer is C. On the bank of river Tamara. Which river did Lord Rama, Sita and Lakshman crossed on their way to forest? The options are A. Tamra, Vedasurti and Gomti. Option B. Tamra, Saryu and Gomti. Option C. Godavari, Saryu and Gomti. And option D. Tamra, Saryu and Kausiki. The correct answer is A. Tamra, Vedasurti and Gomti. Who greeted Lord Rama when he reached the north bank of river Ganga? The options are A. Shatrughan, B. Chief of the tribes of hunters, C. Sage Bhardwaj or D. Sugriv. The correct answer is B. Chief of the tribes of hunters. What did the tribal chief of hunters do for Lord Rama? The options are A. He helped Lord Rama to cross the forest. B. He helped Lord Rama to go back to Ayodhya. C. He helped Lord Rama to cross the river Godavari. Or D. He helped Lord Rama to cross the river Ganga. The correct answer is D. He helped Lord Rama to cross the river Ganga. Where did Lord Rama, Sita and Lakshman meet sage Bharadwaj? The options are A. Near the river Saryu. B. At Prayag where Ganga and Yamuna meet. C. Near river Godavari. Or D. Near river Kausiki. The correct answer is B. At Prayag where Ganga and Yamuna meet. What advice did sage Bharadwaj give to Lord Rama? The options are A. They should live in forest. B. They should live near the river Krishna. C. They should live on the mountain Chitrakoot. And D. They should live near Prayag. The correct answer is C. They should live on the mountain Chitrakoot. Where did Lord Rama and Lakshman built their hut? The options are A. By river Bhagirathi. B. In Chitrakoot by river Mandakini. C. By river Godavari. Or D. Near Panchvati. The correct answer is B. In Chitrakoot by the river Mandakini. Which relative visited Lord Rama, Lakshmana and Sita at Chitrakoot? The options are A. Bharat and Shatrughan. B. Kaushalya and Sumitra. C. Ikikai and Sumitra. And D. Sugriv. The correct answer is A. Bharat and Shatrughan. Why did Bharat and Shatrughan visited Lord Rama at Chitrakoot? The options are A. To join Lord Rama in exile. B. To warn Lord Rama about Ravan. C. To take back Lord Rama to Ayodhya. Or D. To take advice from Lord Rama. The correct answer is C. To take back Lord Rama to Ayodhya. What type of news did Bharat give to Lord Rama? The options are A. The news about Ayodhya, B. News about Kekai, C. News about Ravan, or D. The news that their father has passed away. The correct answer is D. The news that their father has passed away. What did Lord Rama say to the pleading Bharat? The options are A. They will return to Ayodhya soon. B. They will return after killing all the demons. C. They should redeem their father's pledge. Or D. They will return after killing Bali. The correct answer is C. They should redeem their father's pledge. What did Bharat do when Lord Rama asked him to go back to Ayodhya and rule? A. He took Lord Rama's bow and arrow. B. He took Lord Rama's paduka to place them on the throne. C. He took Lord Rama's ring before returning. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. He took Lord Rama's paduka to place them on the throne. What advice did Lord Rama give to Bharat? The options are A. Look after the kingdom Kiskinda. B. Look after the kingdom Prayag. C. Look after the kingdom Ayodhya. Or D. Look after the kingdom Janakpuri. The correct answer is C. Look after the kingdom Ayodhya. Which sage gave Lord Rama the celestial weapons? A. Rishi Vasishta. B. Sage Agastya. C. Maharishi Vishwamitra. Or D. Sage Valmiki. The correct answer is B. Sage Agastya. What did Sage Agastya or Agast Rishi tell Lord Rama? The options are A. He told them to live riverside. B. He told them to live at Prayag. C. He told them to live in dense forest. Or D. He told them to live at Panchvati. The correct answer is D. He told them to live at Panchvati. Who did Lord Rama, Sita and Lakshman meet on the way to Panchvati? The options are A. Sugriv, B. Vulture named Jatayu, C. Jamvant, or D. Jatayu's brother Sampati. The correct answer is B. A vulture named Jatayu. What did Jatayu tell Lord Rama? A. Tell them about Janakpuri. B. Told them about Sugriva. C. He told them that he is a friend of their father and he will help them in the time of need. Or D. Tell them the way to Kiskanda. He told them that he is a friend of their father and he will help them in the time of need.